Hi everyone! I have a video to share with you today of how to make this cute popsicle little box. You can use it for gifts, you can use it for a gift card, or you can use it like treats where I did. But this is a cute little box that you can use, or you can even use it as a decoration. So here we go. I'm going to show you how to make this cute box. What you're going to need is you're going to need the pattern that I've provided in the description. I've already printed one out. This is in the description. You can go ahead and click on it and download this to have this in advance when you are going to cut out your popsicle. I already have one that I've pre-used. You're going to need some paper. This one's going to be my top and this is going to be my base. I've got just a few cute items to decorate with, and of course a popsicle stick. I got some paper clips and you'll see how I'm going to use this. Even a handy clothespin will help. You could see how I'm going to use this in the future. And the greeting for this So Sweet. I've got a few different ones that you can use for birthdays, celebrate for you, sweets for my sweet. You can use any of these different greetings, cut them out and put them here like I did. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and use the existing template that I used for my popsicle as my base. So here is where my paper clips come in handy. I'm going to go ahead and put the template down, and I'm going to paper clip it so it'll kind of stay in place while I'm cutting. This helps my paper from moving. I like putting it on the corner because then I don't have to cut this side. And then I'm going to put my flaps down. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'll hold this with my hand and I'm going to start cutting. Cut here, cut here. Okay, now we're going to cut for the flaps, and you'll be able to see on the box where you need to be cutting. So I'm going to cut here. I'm cutting here. I'm cutting here, 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 and here. Now your popsicle stick comes in pretty handy to help you fold some of these lines to create your box. So we'll start here and we'll fold these. Then I will go ahead and push them down with a popsicle stick. Strain it out. And then here is another fold. I forgot to fold this guy. Okay. I'm going to fold here. We're just making a box. It's just a different shape type of box. Okay. We got to fold here, and then here. This might actually be better to just fold with your fingers. We'll fold this one, and here, and the flaps. Okay, looks like I've got everything folded. I'm going to go ahead and take my template off. I'm not going to need it. I want to make sure that one box is going to fit in one in the other. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I'm gluing my edges. I got to glue here. I like using my glue gun because it sets and dries so much quicker than your traditional glue. It just makes things nice and quick, especially for video purposes. Here is this. And I'm almost done with the bottom base. Going to put a glue dot there. And here. Okay. So here is our base. Now when I'm gluing this, I just want to make sure that the yellow is going to fit. So I'm going to kind of try to keep this in place, and I'll move it, put a dot in, because I don't want it to be too small and it won't fit over this guy. So we can put a glue dot here and glue there. And then glue down here, there. Be careful not to get it on your box, or you won't be able to open the box. They'll be glued together. Let's go ahead and do this side. Okay, I'll take this out. Glue dot. There we go, and right here. Okay, we can put the box together. There we go. Now what we could do is we're going to put the popsicle stick and glue it to the back. So I'm going to go ahead and add some glue to my popsicle stick. I'm going to glue it to my box. And then now I can go ahead and decorate my box. So I've got some ribbon here that I'll cut. I'll tie a bow around the bottom. Again, this is just decorative purposes. If you don't want to do this, it's fine. Put a little cute little bow here. Here we go. And I'll put a couple cute stickers here. Just for decorative purposes. I'll get a blue one here. Now for this box, I cut these out, which I have some here. I didn't want to do it on this box because it's already a little bit busy with the design. This one is just, you can see it a lot better. And like I said, I've already used some of the other sentiments, but here is some sentiments that you can cut out and put as a little flag like I did there. And then I'll show you one more that I created. This one's pretty fancy. I made this one into a shaker box. See, so here's the sweets for my sweet. I decorated it here and I made it into a shaker. So here's different methods for you. I hope you enjoy.